In this lesson, we're going to look at the After Effects menus, including the Help menu, the Effects menu. We'll take a look at keyboard shortcuts and the After Effects settings or preferences. You will also learn how you can reset After Effects to the default preferences. The main menus in After Effects are at the top. There are contextual menus throughout After Effects if you right-click or control-click, or if you click on the hamburger menus or the 3 horizontal lines next to panel names. One menu that you'll definitely want to get familiar with is the Help menu. You can access your Adobe account here. You can go to the After Effects user forums. You can post questions so you can get technical support here. You can also submit bug reports or feature requests and share feedback to the Adobe team. If you go to the Help menu, After Effects Help, you'll find a great page of resources. But one of my favorite reasons for coming here is the What's New link to find out all the latest and greatest features that were just released. Many of the commands and the tools and the things that you'll find in the top menu bar, you can also find in other places in After Effects. For example, if you want to add effects to a layer, well, you can go to the top menu, click on Effect, and there you will see all the available effects that you can add. But if you don't want to use the top menu, you can also access all those exact same effects in the Effects and Presets panel. Or, if you're working down in the Layers panel, you might find it more useful to access the effects by just right-clicking, go to Effect, and there you'll see those exact same effect menus. When items are grayed out or you're unable to click on them, that typically means that you either need to select a panel or you need to select some footage or a layer, and then those menu items will become available. Do not forget to look at the keyboard shortcuts, which you will find next to any menu item where there is a default keyboard shortcut already created. And if there is no keyboard shortcut, well, you can always create your own keyboard shortcut by going to the Edit menu, Keyboard Shortcuts, just do a search for the item you're looking for. If there's no shortcut listed, just click, enter in a keyboard combination, then click OK. And when you go back to the menu, your keyboard shortcut will be ready to use. To change or delete it, just go back to Keyboard Shortcuts, search for the menu command, hover your cursor, just click the X, then click OK. And for more resources on keyboard shortcuts, go to the Help menu, and there you will see keyboard shortcuts. I'll give you helpful information about the visual shortcut editor, as well as a big list of all the keyboard shortcuts. Last but not least are the After Effects settings or preferences. So go up to the top menu, click on Settings, and if you choose any one of these, it's going to open up the Preferences dialog box. And I recommend just going through these one by one to familiarize yourself with the different settings and preferences. Here are just a few things that I typically set if I'm opening up a brand new version of After Effects. In general, I like to increase the path point and handle size, so when you select a layer, it's just easier to see the bounding box around that selected layer. The maximum size is 15, I typically do 10. I then check this box right here, so every time you create a new shape layer, such as a rectangle or an ellipse, After Effects is going to automatically place the anchor point in the center of the new shape. I'll go to Startup and Repair. If there is a check mark next to Enable Home Screen, whenever you launch After Effects, the home screen that you're seeing behind this dialog box will launch automatically. If you want to disable the home screen, just uncheck the box, click OK, then the next time you open up After Effects, the home screen will no longer launch. No change in previews. Display, I change it to all keyframes, so when I select a layer that has animation or keyframes, I can see all of the keyframes in the entire motion path when I select it. No change in import, no change in output. Grids and guides, I change this from the default 8 and 6, and I enter 3 and 3 so I can get a rule of thirds grid. This is just a personal preference. Labels, I do not make any changes here, but you can fully customize the label colors and names. Media and disk cache. This is all about improving the performance or the speed of After Effects. If your computer has multiple hard drives, or if you have fast external hard drives such as SSD or solid state drives, if you place the After Effects cache folder on one of those faster drives that's separate from your main computer's hard drive, that will help speed up After Effects. So I have an SSD drive attached to my computer. I'm going to click Choose Folder. I'll navigate to that hard drive. I'll create a new folder. I'll call it After Effects Cache. Click Create. Click Choose. After Effects will place the cache files on the external SSD drive, which is separate from the footage, helping After Effects run faster. And to empty the disk cache at any time, just click on the button, Empty Disk Cache. Are you sure? Yes. If you open After Effects and the external hard drive is not connected to your computer, you'll get a message saying that After Effects cannot find the cache folder. It's no big deal. It's just going to put it back at the default location on your internal hard drive. But the next time you do connect the external hard drive, you will need to go into the Choose folder. It's not going to connect automatically, which is kind of a pain. But just go to Choose Folder, go to the external hard drive, and select that cache folder you created. And the last thing you might look at is audio hardware. Where do you want to hear sound from After Effects? So choose your audio interface or wherever you have your speakers. I just keep it on System Default. So whatever my Mac sound settings are set to, that's what After Effects is going to use. Then you'll just click OK. You can quit After Effects by going to After Effects, quit After Effects, then when you reopen, any changes that you made will automatically update. And if you ever need to reset After Effects to the default preferences, press Shift, Option, Command, or Shift, Alt, Control on Windows, then click on After Effects to open. Click on Reset Preferences. After Effects will open back to the default settings. So this lesson was all about exploring the different menus that are available in After Effects and going to the settings and preferences where you can customize your After Effects experience. The next lesson is a review and practice session for what you learned in Unit 1.